Nematodes have been used commercially in both agriculture and horticulture for many years because they are effective, safe and economically viable. For example, nematodes are used to make sure that this 5-acre glasshouse where chrysanthemums are grown commercially year-round are kept slug-free. In polytunnels, soft fruit heading for the supermarkets is kept free of vine weevil larvae that would decimate the crop. In greenhouses of gardens open to the public, again, vine weevil is controlled to make sure the plants stay in tip-top condition. Even stately homes use Nemesis pest control. Home gardeners too reap the benefits of using nematodes through the established brands of Nemeslug and Nemesis pest controls, brought to you by the world's largest nematode producer, Becker Underwood. You can use them in the garden, in the glasshouse and on the allotment. So where do nematodes come from and how do they work? Nematodes are a simple life form that's been around for millions of years. There are more species of nematodes than of insects. There are two important things to remember about Nemesis nematodes. We only use nematodes that are found naturally in the soils within the country where the products are sold. The nematodes we use cannot become pests themselves. It takes years of research and rigorous testing to make sure you get nematodes that kill the target pests. So how do nematodes actually kill the pests? Because nematodes are living creatures, they are mobile, they actively seek out the pests. Here we see the nematodes on a slug, and once located they get inside it through natural body openings. Once inside they feed and reproduce. That stops the pest from feeding. From that point on the pest is doomed and your plants are protected. The nematodes then reproduce inside the pest and their young, called infective juveniles, head off to look for more prey. They cannot find prey, they will die, so that means that once there are no further pests, the nematodes too will die back to their natural background numbers. Another important point is that the nematodes we use are safe for humans, including children and all pets, wildlife, birds and bees. Unlike lots of chemicals, you don't need to take special precautions or exclude children or pets from the area. In fact, they're so safe, you can keep Nemesis products in your food fridge when they arrive until you use them. Okay. Making sure that you get Nemesis products in tip-top condition is vitally important work. Every time we produce a batch of nematodes, samples are tested. We even sample the numbers to make sure you get at least the number of active nematodes stated on the packaging. It's painstaking work. This is all part of our rigorous ISO testing procedure that are audited externally so you can buy and use the products with confidence. At Becker Underwood we also look at the overall impact of our production processes. This is known as life cycle assessment. Our recent life cycle assessment undertaken in the UK of Nemeslug showed it had less of an impact on the ecosystem than its synthetic chemical equivalent. Becker Underwood is a global company helping farmers, horticulturists and homeowners. We create and produce specialist bioagronomic and colourant products with a broad range of applications. At our website you can discover for yourself how we've put the science of innovation to work for you. Becker Underwood is also the world leading manufacturer of beneficial nematodes. Our impressive range of quality biocontrol products are used in many sectors, including horticulture, turf, mushrooms, home and garden, and a range of specialist crops such as cranberries and citrus. For the homeowner, the important thing to remember is that Nemeslug and Nemesis pest controls are effective and safe, so you can protect your valuable plants without any risk to children, pets, wildlife and bees. We'll leave the final word to some of our customers. For more information on how our nematode products help to protect the valuable plants and crops of homeowners and gardeners like you, see our website www.nemesisinfo.co.uk. Thank you for watching.